Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can prevent members of your WhatsApp group from sending a message to this group. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Let us get down to the topic with you. Please open the WhatsApp app on your phone and then at the bottom, go to the Chats section. And here you will need to go to the group by the admin you are. Yes, friends, you will be able to change some settings in the group, like sending a message only if you are the admin of that group or if you have created that group in WhatsApp. So, once you've joined a group, at the top, click on the name of the group, which will take you to the group settings. Scroll down a little bit, and this is where you will find the group's permissions. And as you can see, here you can find this section called Sending Messages, and you'll just need to turn that off. So only you as the administrator will be able to send a message in the group, and the members of the group will not be able to do that. Friends, this is the simple way you can prevent WhatsApp group members from sending a message to this group. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and also write your comments. See you soon.